spring break, which is this week. Today is Monday, March 8th or 9th or something like that. And it's spring break for me, and we are on vacation, on a COVID-safe vacation in the middle of nowhere. And the vacation house here has an Amana heat pump. So here's this Amana heat pump. Four-bladed fan. There's the top logo. Down there is the accumulator. It's got a compressor blanket, but I'm pretty sure it's a Copeland scroll. There's the reversing. There's the reversing valve. This unit is a heat pump. Later I will upload a video of this thing running. I am to get it running, startup, shutdown, defrost, everything like that. It's mounted on a little rack. Broad Ocean fan motor. I'm assuming it's got a Copeland scroll. Here's the data sheet. It's from 2016 and it is a 4-ton. 14 SEER. 14 to 15 SEER, 8.5 to 9 HSPF. Pretty nice unit. I've heard it running, I filmed it running, so a video of it running will come next. Yeah, it is a pretty nice unit. I can't believe this place has a heat pump. I'll hope to get a defrost and stuff. Alright, out.